M0FXB Hamtech, welcome back to the channel. Have you heard of Hamsover IP? They use these SIP phones. They're basically internet phones that used to be or still are used in offices, but these are older phones and they're very cheap to buy. They're only about 25 or 30 pound, but they can be configured to be used within our ham radio hobby because they use the all-star system. And I just want to show you Hamsover IP today. I've made other videos setting this up. This is just more looking at the links on their website. So this is their home page. If you scroll down, it says here you can submit a ticket to start using their service and for help. And you literally just click it and this kind of page opens. And once you've signed in, there's lots of different help you can ask for. A ticket basically puts you in a queue to get help. Okay, so anyway, back to the page here. If we go to, we've just clicked here phone book and we get this list. Now these are all people that have joined. You can see they're all ham radio operators, and that even shows their DMR ID and the country they're in and their extension number. Everyone gets a number. My number you can find quite easily just by going to search here and going M0FXB. Okay, and there I am. That's my number. If you want to phone me anytime, ring that number once you've set your account up. Back to the phone book link here. Now we've got the wiki link as well. Now on here there is lots and lots of information. I'm not going to show it all, but frequently asked questions, user guides, linked VoIP networks, audio configuration guides, endpoints, hard phones. You know, it just goes on and on. I'm using a Cisco phone, actually a Cisco here. I've got the 525 and it's showing you how to set it all up. This isn't really a tutorial on how to set it up. Notice this page here, that is the IP address of your ham phone, because remember it's an internet phone. So if we go here, this is my internet phone. I've got my extension numbers and it feels complicated, but it's actually, once you learn the system, it's great fun to learn. So we've got Wi-Fi as well, or Ethernet with some devices, Wi-Fi. We've even got Bluetooth and you can pair it to your phone. So it's a really interesting system, and there are other servers, let's call it, that are providing this system for the ham radio hobby. But today it's Hamsover IP we're looking at. So if we go to active BLF, you can see that I'm not connected to anything at the moment. You can see my device in the background. If I look for, now a BLF is confusing because it stands for busy light feature, but it just means who's connected to something at the moment. So if we go to say all-star links, and I'll dial a number, the screen there, if I go to, pretty sure the one I can choose one at random, but I like to sort of connect to someone that I know. So I know M0UKB. So I'm going to put in 25005. My phone is already configured, as you can see. So 25005 just there. So we're going to go 25005, and I'm going to hit my my connection, let's call it.
Node Mike 0 X-ray Foxtrot November connected.
And that is a link that whatever that is connected to, they will hear me if I speak. Now let's just quickly check what it is connected to. Can't really see. Now there is one way of testing. Right, so no one about at the moment, but you get the idea. You dial, you connect, and then if we go back to the dashboard here, and we can select active BLF, conferences, all-star links, and audio as well. 9001, got some numbers here. Amateur radio. So I recommend you learn this system, because I need to learn it, but you'll see that I am showing up there, M0FXB. Okay, and then you've got extensions. That's all the users. Active BLF, that's the people using it right now, connected to something. Conferences that are happening. And audio. Okay, then we go home, phone book, and then like I said, the wiki page. So check it out. It's sorry my phone was completely in the way. I'll just do that again. Right, let's go again. Home, that's your home. There's your phone book. Extensions, active BLF, so I'm actively connected at the moment. Extensions, and then conferences, all-star links, and audio. Apologies for the phone being in the way there. So it's an SIP Cisco 525G. It's not hard to configure, and I can actually connect to my device with my IP address. This is my actual device, and all the different kinds of extensions and connections. You can actually add an extension module to the side of the phone as well, and that allows you to have lots and lots more phone numbers that you can just press the button and talk to people. Bye for now, 7-3.